I don't really think there's a better time in technology to be doing what we're doing.
We have been hard at work finalizing, building an all-new Ion experience.
And it's exciting. It's an exciting time for every engineer to see the advancements that are happening day to day.
One of the really incredible things about the new Ion experience is we're now just baking it directly into the workflows.
So we have workflows in the new Ion experience that are actually 50% faster than where they were before.
So the new Ion experience is an entirely rebuilt Ion application.
We've rebuilt the entire front-end application using modern technology.
We are bringing an AI-powered technology to life called Ion Intelligence.
The way that we're building on Ion Intelligence is not the historical way of having to go look for answers necessarily inside of an interface.
It's built in a way that's scalable for modern kind of interfaces.
I can't be spending time searching for the information for every single time I need to do something.
The technology we're using is cutting edge.
We are actually asking all of our customers, what are the metrics that are most important to them, and embedding that into the platform. And we're measuring our success based off of the success of those outcomes.
The new Ion experience takes all of those learnings and reflows it in a way that's more usable than ever.
It also allows us to do things like server-side rendering, which actually sees a huge performance gain.
People don't know where to put inventory. Should it even go back into the warehouse? We're taking all of the thinking out of the process.
We're responding to that customer need by enabling them with a more performant application.
Ion is surfacing this data directly into the workflows and making it easier for the user to be like, oh, cool, I just need to move this here.
Think of it as like your manufacturing engineer, coworker at the end of the day, right? It's not that AI is replacing humans, it's that we are working with AI.
We can actually take these technologies and apply them for a real effective workflow in manufacturing.
What we're building is agentic workflows that are specific to manufacturing.
It brings together everything that Ion is, from production to quality to supply chain. It gives manufacturers superpowers to be able to move through all those workflows much faster with the power of AI.
It's somebody that you collaborate with or a thing you collaborate with that allows you to do your job easier, allows you to do your job faster, more productive, more efficient.
It's going to really make it obvious for you to know what you need to do next, for you to have the information that you need.
With agentic manufacturing, you could actually make much more nuanced decisions, and you could give a lot more power to the individual users to modify the factory schedule.
We are personalizing the dashboard. We are going to make that dashboard customizable. You can pick out which metrics are important to you, and it's really important that once you've done your job, the next person knows to pick it up and do their job, and notifications are a fundamental part of that experience.
Ion Marketplace is very exciting for us because over the last few years, we've been working with incredible partners, and Ion Marketplace allows us to put all of those partners in one place and show the world how teaming up with the broader ecosystem makes Ion an even more powerful platform.
Technology is moving so quickly for us, and engineers are great at keeping up with technology. We need to be able to stay competitive.
Unlike other solutions that just sprinkle AI on top of legacy old systems, at First Resonance, we're combining AI with a modern platform and integrating the UX deeply to make it an amazing experience for our customers.